Yo, what's up guys? So there's gonna be a short video for YouTube, guys. So I mounted the front mount intercooler here, guys. It's a high flow intercooler, as you guys can see. It's a really good cooler, guys. It's this brand, Apexi. So guys, short and sweet, I built this bracket out of stainless steel. I cut this piece off here. Sorry about this clip. No, I didn't have anybody to make a video for me while I fabricate everything, but guys, I had to cut this piece off there. Took it off. I built myself this bracket here for stainless steel. Inside of here, to hold it onto the steel there, I put some riv nuts with this little fancy tool here. Yeah guys, so at the bottom here, as you guys can see, I just drilled 2 holes through the cradle, right through. Just made a bracket here where I bolted these pieces of stainless steel onto the intercooler at the bottom there. So it's very simple, it's just 2 holes through the stainless steel, and then mounted it on there. Guys, the setup I'm running here, we won't be using the stiffener anymore. Stiffener will get taken out. There will be no space for the bumper because we're going to cut this whole piece like this out of the bumper so you can see the entire intercooler in front. And if you check the brackets here, it's running over the intercooler, so then you won't be able to see the cooler nicely if I put the stiffener back. Yeah, roast me about everything like this in the comments, guys. I know you guys are going to roast me about this, but yeah, it is what it is. And then guys, a lot of you have seen, but here's the turbo. This is a turbo I'm going to run. It's a T3 with a 3.6 housing from a race car. This is some racing housing here, guys, but it's got a billet back plate. Very, very nice turbo, guys. So yeah, short and sweet video for you guys. Just a quick update. Everything is in, the engine is in, just waiting for the manifold now. As soon as the manifold comes, which is in this week, I'm gonna put that, connect new pipes here for the fuel lines, and then top up everything with fluid, get everything sorted, bleed the radiator, and then that's it, guys. Sweet.